Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is MJ Starao nagsabing Food is Life. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, share, and comment for any suggestions, and subscribe now and hit the notification bell for upcoming videos to come. Today's episode po, gagawa tayo ng dessert made of 3 ingredients lang po from Oreo, mango, and fresh milk. Kumusta mga kapodi? Ito na lang po si MJ Starao nagsabing Food is Life. Gawa tayo ng dessert from mango, Oreo, and milk. Ito yung isang bowl. Lagyan natin yung 5 pieces ng Oreo. Hatiin lang natin into 4. Ito yung mangga natin. Slice lang natin siya. I'm using glass pang ano natin yung mangga. Tadaan! Ito yung glass natin. Yung mango. Yan yung Oreo natin. And mango. Then yung Oreo na rin. And I will be add more. Dalawang Oreo. Presenting MJ Staraon version of Oreo mango with fresh milk. Enjoy! Yummy! Wow! Wow! Don't forget to like, share, and comment for any suggestions. Subscribe today and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos to come. Thank you for watching. God bless!